there will be notices put up, and if the professor actually wants a research assistant to help him out, he'll just mail a forwarded message to the entire batch. So that's how we come to know about the research assistantships and TAs. For research assistantships, I think you just get in contact with the professor by through mail, and then it depends on the professor whether he wants to shortlist a few people if there are many responses to the mail he posted or not. But in general, there are opportunities everywhere for RAs. At least in our department, the TA has no tuition waiver, and is paid on an hourly basis. The pay can range from $10 to $20. The same thing is for RA opportunities. RAs can be based on an hourly payment, or RAs have the tuition waiver off. Some of them are like gym instructors or other duties in the campus recreation centers. If you are interested in fitness and sports, then you can work in the library as well. That is based on the department. Then you can work at the student center, which is an all-purpose recreation center for GeorgiaTech. The pay range is the same for all on-campus jobs, that is $10 to $20 an hour. I don't think you can apply for on-campus jobs from India. The TAs and RAs, the TAs is a little difficult to get into in the first semester, but you can get an RA if you already know a professor or you are in contact with a professor. So you can definitely apply for an RA from India. Before you move into the apartment, you have to pay the deposit. Like in most of the cases, it is 1 month's rent. So you have to pay 1 month's rent plus the first month's rent. So that comes to around, for us, the rent was around $550 per head. So we had to pay around $1,000 as the initial payment before moving. Industrial engineering course is a 3-semester course, so it is broken up as 16,000 for the first semester, 16,000 for the second, and around 8,000 for the third. So it comes up to around 40,000, which is including the insurance if you take from the US. The industrial department does not offer scholarships for international students, as far as I am concerned.